guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mercedes here, and I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me Q&A video. I've never done a Q&A before. I posted a poll on Instagram, makeup tutorial, Q&A. All you guys chose Q&A. I was like, what? I didn't know people wanted to know about me, but I guess you guys do, and that's this video here. We're gonna get into it. I did this makeup look right here while, you know, chit-chatting, getting ready. That's what I came up with. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look and you want to get into some questions and answers, keep on watching. So you guys chose a get ready with me Q&A, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I have some of my fave products in front of me, and we're gonna just get started into these questions. I was so like shocked that you guys chose a Q&A because I've never done one, first of all. Second of all, I didn't know that many people wanted to know about me. Look at that, right there, right there. I got a friend. But she's going away. We did a mask last night. She's going away. Speaking about skincare, that was my first question. So for skincare, what is your skincare routine? I've switched up my skincare routine a lot. Growing up, like, I never had acne, and then once I hit like 19, 20, my skin went crazy. I went through so many skincare routines, you know, in the past few years, and I finally found one that my skin like loves, and it is the Monet Be Balance Cleanser, and that's good for combo to oily skin, combo normal oily skin, and that's what I use. It has really good ingredients because it's vegan, all natural, anti-aging. Oh yeah, it's really good. It's like a gentle foaming cleanser. I use it morning and night, and that has changed the game in my skincare routine because it's literally like, it helped with my hyperpigmentation. It helped like even out my skin tone, made it more smooth, and like just overall just more even and with my tone and texture. And that's what I struggled with, because when you get acne, you know, if you pick, you get scars, and that's what I used to do, unfortunately. But they're going away. I tried way too many things, and now I keep it really short and simple, which I actually brought the products with me to show you. This here is the cleanser, my little Be Balanced. It really balanced out my skin. Step 1, cleanser. Please wash your face. Wash your face. I've heard so many times, I'm like, oh, what's your skincare routine? And people are like, water. And I'm like, water doesn't count. Water, no. Yeah, drink water. Don't just splash it on your face. Wash your face, please. Wash your face. Just like you gotta wash your hands. It is the Indie Lee CoQ10 toner. It's a spray toner, so once I'm done cleansing, I'll pat my skin dry, and then I'll spray some of my toner and pat it in. And then I'll finish off with my Rejuvenate oil. This oil is so good. I use it as my moisturizer because I like to have my skin really healthy and glowy. It also can be used on your hair, nails, lips, face, and it comes with a little dropper, and you'll have this forever because a little goes a long way, literally. So that is my skincare routine. The next question is, what is your favorite book? Well, see, with books, I have a lot. One of my favorite books is You Are a Badass. I remember like a bunch of years ago going to Target, and I just saw it, and I was just like, I need that book. And I didn't even read the back, and normally I read the back of books like before I make the purchase, but I just was like, nope, I'm gonna get it, and I got it. and I read it. And what I like doing when I read is like take a highlighter or a pencil and I'll underline like my favorite things. So like favorite quotes, favorite sayings, favorite paragraphs, favorite pages. I like to just highlight those things, so when I read it like a second time or I recommend it to somebody, say, oh, look out for this or look out for that, or oh my gosh, this really helped me. And you just relate to it more. So that has to be one of my faves. But also like as far as like autobiographies, because I love those too. Just like we all love watching people's lives on social media and stuff, like you can read about people's lives too in books, and I love that as well. I love the Misty May Trainer book. It has been my favorite forever. You know, back when I used to play volleyball, it really helped me, you know, stay focused, and it really helped me just be the player I was, I guess. One of my favorites. I love her. Even though I don't play volleyball anymore, I still love her. Autobiography that's really good. It's not really an autobiography. No. Just another book that's really good is Elena Cardone. Love her. You know, she is all about women empowerment. She's all about building an empire, which basically that's what her book is, building an empire. I highly, highly recommend that if you want to get your, you know, your life together. I'm just setting my concealer with my Holy Grail powder. Press, don't rub. Press. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna do them off camera because it's a long process. Plus, I want to do a whole separate video on how I do my eyebrows. So, catch you in a little. So, I just finished my brows off camera. What do you think? Next question is another skincare question. I was very surprised. You guys were so curious about my skincare. Question is best advice you have received about skincare. The best advice about skincare I have received would have to be don't pick and drink lots and lots of water. Short, sweet, simple. Next question said, what did you want to be when you were younger? What I wanted to be when I was younger, I had a few different things. So let me say, the first thing I wanted to be when I was younger was a teacher. Didn't know what grade. Just knew I wanted to be a teacher. I like teaching. When I got into sports, I like fell in. I dove in. That was all that was on my mind. I was like, that's what I'm gonna do when I'm older. I'm gonna be a professional athlete. So the teaching went down the drain, and I knew that I wanted to play sports my entire life. That was like my everything. Nothing else mattered to me. I missed some of my cousins and friends' birthdays because of tournaments and family things, but I didn't care. I knew I wanted to play sports, and when I found one sport that I was very passionate about that I wanted to pursue, I was like, I want to go to the Olympics, and that was my dream. That was what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to be. Did that happen? No, it didn't happen, but it's okay. After years of doing makeup, what makes you get up and keep doing it? I love it. Plain and simple. I love doing it. It's like my me time, and I get a lot of people asking me that day to day in my regular job. They're like, oh my gosh, like, how long did it take you to do your makeup? Like, that's a lot. Like, oh my gosh, how did you do that? How did you do that? You know, it's just my me time. Once I sit down in my makeup room and turn on my lights and have my iPad, have my tea, I put on like a podcast or something, you know, to get me going, and I sit down and it's my time to just create, and that's what I love to do. So what makes me want to do it? I love it. And when you love something, you just keep doing it. It's like not a job, you know. People are like, oh my gosh, you spend an hour on your makeup? Yes, girl, I could spend 2 hours on it, but I only did an hour today. Next question. If you had the power to do one thing to every person, what would it be? That is a good question. To just make them the most healthiest and happiest person they could be. Okay, I don't like this question, and my sister would do this. What's your favorite movie? I don't have one. I don't have a favorite movie. I don't know. You know, I watch so many movies that I don't have a favorite. I have to choose? Yeah, no, that's not happening. Next question. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is, can you guess? Can you guys guess? Volleyball. My favorite sport is volleyball. I played it since I was 10 years old, and it's my first love. Dream vacation. Wow, a good one. I would have to say Greece has always been like my dream vacation to go to because of Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants. I am back. I finished up the rest of my eyes off camera. Next question is a little bit TMI, but I'm gonna answer it because it was asked. It says, how do you like having an IUD? So I did get an IUD 2 years ago, and I mean, it's fine. I don't feel it. It's just there. It does its job. It does its purpose, and that's it. How do you like being married? To be honest, like, I don't feel any different. Marriage is cool. You have a best friend you to wake up to go to sleep with. No, but yeah, marriage is cool. I mean, the whole like name change was pretty different. Like, I would say that's the only thing that feels a little weird, saying like your new last name. Like, oh, my name is Mercedes, blah, blah, blah. You know, like, it's different. What is your guilty pleasure at the moment? Well, I finished Love is Blind, so I can't say that. If we're talking about food, stuffing ice cream. Next question is, what is your favorite makeup brand and why? Who asked that question? Like, someone who loves makeup? I don't have a favorite brand. What the heck? I have a few favorites, not a favorite. One of my favorite brands is Benefit, not because I work for them, but I truly love their products, which I'm using my favorite now. Their highlighters are bomb. Just saying, that's what I'm using. I'm using Cookie right now. I love Tickle, but with this look, I think Cookie will go better. Next brand is Anastasia. She is my Romanian queen. I tell everyone that as a joke, but like for real, you know, like my husband's Romanian, she's Romanian, and that's just by coincidence. And I feel like, you know, I could be family. No, Anastasia for sure. I love her eyeshadows, lipsticks, like anything Anastasia I will purchase. Another favorite is Morphe, of course. I mean, who doesn't love Morphe? See, like, the price is right, the pigment is there. I love their lip liners. Sweetheart is my favorite. I'm gonna do my lips and kitchen a little. That concludes my get ready with me Q&A first video back on YouTube. If you guys liked it, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, maybe turn on your post notifications for my next video. Oh, and comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. I mean, I have some ideas, but I'd love to hear your feedback on everything. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Get ready with me. I'm so parched. Get your water, girl. Get your jug. Get your jug of water. Turn on your post notifications. So nervous. I don't know why. Don't mind my nails. I normally have them done.